let's see how to create points in the Sketcher workbench. We have different types of point creation. The first one, select the point. It's by clicking the mouse. Wherever we place the mouse button, so the point will be created, and this is just point by clicking. So point by clicking, we can just select the point and click wherever we want. The point will be created. Now let's see point by coordinates. Select the option point by coordinate, and here we have Cartesian and polar coordinate. Let's just create Cartesian coordinate. Let's create 50 by 50 and just click OK. So the system creates point 50 horizontal and 50 vertical, and if you want to modify, double click on the dimension, we can modify it. Just double click and let's make it 75. The point updates. Now let's see again point by coordinate, polar coordinate. So in this we have to key radius and angle. So let's change the radius 50. Now we'll go a little bit higher, 100 radius, and angle something 75, and click OK. So the point is created, radius of 100 and with the 75-degree angle. This is all about point by coordinates. Point on curve. To use this, we should have some curve already created. Let's draw a simple line. So let's draw a straight line, start point and end point. Let's give some dimension for this. Let's make it 50. So this is the line we have. On this line we want to create number of points. Select the curve, and the system gives the point definition. How many points we want to create on this line? We can just key the value, how many points we want it. So let's make 5 points. So it will change, and the system will divide equal space and creates the points. And we don't have any other options here. Wherever we see the gray in color, it means no other options are available or it is not active. And if click OK, and the system computes with the dimensions, and we can change the dimension values and it will update appropriately. So all will change. There is a relationship between each dimension, and we can key and change it. This is all about point creation on a curve. The fourth one, intersection point. It means wherever there is two element intersects, we can create the point. So let's have one more line or curve. So let's draw an arc. So now let's use the point by intersection. Select the option, select the first curve and the second curve, and we can see the result. The point is created wherever the two elements are intersecting. Let me draw one more line to have a different example. And now we use same point by intersection. Select the first curve and the second curve. So the result, wherever the circle intersects, if the circle expands, or here we can see 2 points are created. This is because when the arc is closed completely, the intersection will happen on these two places. That's the reason the system provides two results where the intersection will happen by this arc and this line. Now let's see point by projection. So we can project any points to any element. So let's create a point first, and we'll project the point. Now we want to project this point to any of this line or arc. Let's use project point by projecting, and here we have two more options. One is normal and the other one is along a direction. First let's see, select the point and select the curve to be projected, and the point is projected on the line. Point by projection by the direction. Select the command point by projection, select the point, and we have enable the point by direction. It's already there. Either we can use the cursor and in which direction we want to project it. So we want to project in this direction. On which element we want to project? In this case, we'll pick the arc as a projecting element, and the result will be created somewhere here. Now let's see align points. This option helps us to aligning the points in the ordered way. Assume that we have a point scattered. For example, we have a points. Whenever we want to use continuously of any of the options, we have to double tap on the icon. It will be activated continuously. So in this case, we selected once and just place, and we can keep going, and when you finish, we can escape. The command will end. Now these are the set of points which are scattered, and we want to align it in a linear way. So this time, in this case, this align points helps us select a set of points to be aligned. So in this case, we just drag this and all the points are selected, and there is a direction how we want to align it. And here we have 4 options. The first one is along the direction, or we want horizontal and vertical, and with the reference point and with the linear element. First, let's see with the direction. So we want to align all these points in this direction. The system will align automatically. Now let's see the other method. Select the align points, select all the points, and let's change it to horizontal. By default, all the points come in horizontal. Now the third one, align point, select all the points, and we go with vertical, and the points are aligned vertically. Now let's 2 more options. Align point, select all the points. Now we want to replace the origin. So change the origin point. Instead of this point, we will choose this as the origin. And from this origin, how we want to align, we can align the way we want it. So everything will come aligned. And the last feature, align points. Select the points, and we have the direction element. Pick this, align along selected linear element. So in this, we don't have any element we have, so we'll go with axis system. Select the axis system. With this element, all the points are aligned. This is all about profile creation in Sketcher Workbench. I hope this session gives you clarity how to use different profile commands and get the maximum out of it. Thank you.